a nigga.
Here. First, I just want to say thank you guys all for coming. It was really important for everybody that's here for us to have you in our home on behalf of Rob and I, because you guys have made the Coachella Valley home for us. So we really appreciate that. And I was gonna sing a song, but luckily we have, a singer. Okay. So, I was watching this show on OWN. You guys know I'm an avid TV person, and I just saw this couple, and they were going through some challenges in terms of like bringing their families together and being black, and having them understand black gay love and then layering California entertainment on top of that, and it was like really inspiring. And for Rob and I, for you guys to be here in our home, because all of you in your unique ways have made Coachella Valley home to us, whether you're a neighbor at the Latitude or downtown or a member of Brothers of the Desert or Harvest or wherever. You guys have just really made us feel comfortable. You guys know how scared I was to move out here. So, go ahead. Okay. So, our special guest carolers today, Deion and Rome. I saw them on the show, Family or Fiance, and I really just connected with their struggle, or their journey more, so I don't want to call it a struggle, but their journey of being black gay men in love, and then it didn't hurt that they have beautiful voices. So, without further ado, can y'all put your hands together for Deion and Rome?
Hi everyone. I'm Deion.
And I'm Rome.
Together we are
Deion and Rome.
And if you don't know, he just kind of told y'all a little bit. We are engaged.
Yes.
We've been together for 7 years, going on 8. But not only that, we are recording artists and we're a group together. So we just have some special songs we wanted to sing for you guys. Is that okay?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. All right. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin, mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin, mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Remember those walls I built? Well, baby, they're tumbling down. Didn't even put up a fight, didn't even make a sound. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I got my angel now. So Rome and I, we have an album out. It's called God Love Us Gays. Don't he? Yeah, and we wanted to push that because a lot of times people try to make you feel like you can't be gay and love God. You can't be gay and celebrate God. They try to separate us. But we want everybody to know that God loves you no matter who you are,
regardless where you are,
where you're from. He loves.
It doesn't matter what your circumstances are. It doesn't matter what you've been through. What matters is that you went through. So we wanted to create something that is fun. So obviously it's holidays time, right?
Okay.
So we heard this song, a little song called Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
He a freak.
Okay.
We was like, you know what? There's no new version of this song, so we created a new version. You want to hear it?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see.
Yeah, we have my hand.
Oh, there we go. I like that.
Come on, put your hands together.
Come on. Here we go. Listen, I want y'all to have a good time with us. Can y'all do that?
Yeah. No dancer and dasher and prancer and vixen. No comet and cupid and donner and blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of the world? They call him Rudolph, shiny red nose, got a shiny red nose, got a shiny red nose, got a shiny. They call him Rudolph, shiny red nose, got a shiny red nose. And if you ever saw it, you would say it glowed. All the other reindeer,
You better dance.
used to laugh and call him names.
What they say?
They never let poor Rudolph join any reindeer games. They call him Rudolph, shiny red nose, got a shiny red nose, got a shiny red nose, got a shiny. They call him Rudolph, shiny red nose, got a shiny red nose. And if you ever think one foggy Christmas Eve,
What happened?
Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you drive my sleigh tonight? Then how the rain is coming, as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you go down in history. They call him Rudolph, shiny red nose, got a shiny red nose, got a shiny red nose, got a shiny. They call him Rudolph, shiny red nose, got a shiny red nose. And if you ever saw it, you would say it rose. Then one foggy Christmas Eve,
What happened?
Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you drive my sleigh tonight?
Listen, this is what I want y'all to do. Listen here, honey. Are y'all ready for this? I need y'all participation. I'm gonna need y'all participation. So we're gonna say Rudolph, and I want y'all to say Red Nose. Okay? We gonna say Rudolph, and y'all gonna say Red Nose. Ready? 1 and a 2 and a 3. Rudolph.
Red nose.
Rudolph.
Red
I
nose.
said Rudolph.
Red
I
nose.
said Rudolph.
Red
I said
nose.
Rudolph.
Red
I
nose.
said Rudolph.
Red
I
nose.
said Rudolph.
Red nose.
Here we go, here we go. This song's called Icy. Are you ready for it? Here we go. Are you icy? I'm icy. Let's go.
I'm so icy, I'm so icy, I'm so icy, I'm
Need
so
some next
icy.
year. Go.
When you touch me, you can get frostbite. When you touch me, you can Don't you get your clothes? I can take your purchase, but you can't take my clothes. All about my money, counting on the dough. They don't seem to come in and got these bitches wrong. You can't feel your hands and you can't feel your toes. There's no rules to this game, anything goes. Popping bottles, writing checks, and designer clothes. Didn't mean to damage you, you took an extra dose. Bitch, I'm so cold. Bitch, I'm so cold. Bitch, I'm so cold.
Is it breezy?
Bitch, I'm so cold. I'm so icy. I'm so icy. Touch when you touch me. When you touch me. I'm so icy. I'm so icy. I'm so icy. I'm so icy. Touch me, touch you. You can get frostbite. Touch me, you can get frostbite. Yeah, that's where my ego. Penthouse on the top floor. Sorry, I'm a star, but you can get a cameo. I can touch the sky, though, flying like an eagle. Call him on the patio, giving me fellatio. I don't kiss the tail, nobody will ever know. I don't do the shit for sure. Watch me as my shit flow. Since you been with me, I see you got a wrist on blow. Fucking with a key, might as well let these bitches know. Bitch, I'm so cold. I'm so cold. Bitch, I'm so cold. I'm so cold. Bitch, I'm so cold. I'm so cold. Bitch, I'm so cold. Say cold, cold.
Your turn.
Cold.
Hey, what?
Cold.
Whoa.
Cold.
Let's go.
Bitch, I'm so cold. I'm so icy. I'm so icy. When you touch me, when you touch me, you can get frostbite.
All right, this song is a personal song that we wrote, and it's called Little Birdie.
Away, little birdie, you got to learn to fly. Fly away, little birdie, or the world will pass you by. Oh, don't be afraid, little birdie, spread your wings to the sky. And when you leave the nest, just turn around and say goodbye. There's a whole world in front of you for you to see, but you can't see it all just hanging from the tree. So fly away, little birdie, you got to learn to fly. Got to learn to fall. Fly away, little birdie, or the world will pass you by. Don't be afraid, little birdie, spread your wings to the sky. And when you leave the nest, just turn around and say goodbye. There's a whole world in front of you for you to see, but you can't see it all just hanging from the tree. So fly away, little birdie, you got to learn to fly. Fly away, little birdie, or the world will pass you by. Whoa. Listen. I'm moving forward and I won't look back. I'm the first place winner on this racetrack. I won't drown in the water, I swim on my back. I'm strong, I'm a warrior, yeah, you gotta give me that. I'm built for this, yeah, you try to take me down, but I don't stand for this. A philanthropist, when you give, you receive. Take a chance, take a leap. This is your destiny, this is your destiny. Oh, oh, oh.
All right, here we go.
Fly away, little birdie. You got to learn to fly. Whoa, fly away, little birdie, or the world will pass you by. Whoa, don't be afraid, little birdie. Spread your wings through the sky, and when you leave the nest, round and say goodbye. There's a whole world in front of you for you to see, but you can't see it all just hanging from the tree. So fly away, little birdie. You've got to learn to fly. Got to learn to fly. Whoa.
Listen, what?
I'm down in the river, I swim on my back. I'm away, yeah, you gotta give me that. I'm built for this. And you try to take me down, but I won't stand for this. I'm philanthropist. When you give, you receive. Take a chance, take a leap. This is your destiny. This is your destiny. Can't nobody treat you like I do. Can't nobody hold you like I do. Can't nobody take the place of you. Can't nobody love you like I do, I do. Can't nobody take you like I do. Can't nobody hold you like I do. Can't nobody.
I know that I may seem cocky, but don't get it confused. It's just confidence. Look in the mirror and tell me, what do I see? My biggest fan looking back at me. Even though I may have haters, but I refuse to go high. You can keep trying to throw shade at me. Let me help you out, baby. Here's a palm tree. Can't nobody love you like I do, I do. Can't nobody treat you like I do. Can't nobody hold you like I do. Can't nobody take the place of you. Can't nobody love you like I do, I do. Can't nobody treat you like I do. Can't nobody hold you like I do. Can't nobody take the place of. Can't nobody love you like I do. Can't nobody treat you like I do. Can't nobody hold you like I do. Can't nobody take the place of you.
Special for our beautiful, beautiful friends.
New
Thank you
friends.
so much for inviting us to be a part of
we
your
appreciate
special day. We have something so great just for you too. These are God Love Us Gays because he do. And of course you need coasters. I mean, and then we got you some shirts. Let's see. And then we got you shirts. And this was, yep.
That's that good cotton.
Shy, ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light. Hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. Hope to see your face, and that you be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I'll beg, I'll remember you say. Sometimes it lasts in love, sometimes it hurts instead. Nothing compares, no death and mistake. Memories say you would have known how bittersweet this would taste.
sometimes it hurts instead.
Thank you. If you guys would like to order shirts, if you guys want to participate, you want to buy some fashion, some glasses.
I want a shirt.
You want a shirt? We have that available for you. Rome and I have a company called House of Noyade. That is Deion spelled backwards, Noied. And that is a company, it's a lifestyle design production company where we offer services for like fashion, styling, hair, makeup, flipping homes, redesign, all the things. You guys can go there and check out our website. You can listen to our music and you can buy some merchandise.
And you can also listen to our podcast.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. We have a podcast called MMI Talk Podcast on Apple.
If you into manifestation, motivation, and inspiration,
That's the place for you.